maps are drawings which reduce the entire world or a part of it to fit on a sheet of paper. You can also say maps are drawn to reduced scales, but this reduction is done very carefully so that the distance between the places are somewhat real. So it can only be possible when a small distance on a paper represents a large distance on a ground. Therefore, a scale is chosen for this purpose. So scale is what? Scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. For instance, the distance between your school and home is say 10 km. So if you show this 10 km distance by say 2 cm on a map, it means 1 cm on the map will show how much? 5 km on the ground. So the scale of your drawing will be 1 cm is equal to 5 km. Therefore, scale is very important in your map. Any map you are talking about, the scale becomes very important. So if you know the scale, you'll be able to calculate the distance between any two places on a map. So when large areas like continents or countries are shown on a map, then we use a small scale map. For example, 5 cm on the map, it can show up to 500 kilometers on the ground. This is called a small scale map. And when a small area like your village or a town is to be shown, then we use a large scale map. That is, say 5 cm on a map, it may just represent 500 meters only on the ground. So this is called a large scale map. So large scale map gives us more information than the small scale map. Let me exemplify this. See, this is your school and this is your home. Now the distance between your school and home is say 10 km. Now you cannot show 10 km on a paper. So you have to reduce the scale. Say this 10 km you represented by say 2 cm. Now this is a map. This is your school. This is your home. Now you represented this line just by 2 cm. So the 2 cm on the map is representing actual distance of 10 km. So what is the scale? Scale is the ratio between the actual distance divided by the distance shown on the map. So this is actual distance and this is a map distance. So actual distance is what? 10 km and map distance is what? 2 cm. So this is the scale. This is the scale of your map. So it can be a large scale map, it can be a small scale map. If you want to say cover whole of India, say this is all India. Now this is India. Now if you want to represent a country, then you cannot represent because this is a very huge area. So here say 5 cm you represent by 500 km. But when you are representing only your town, so it's very small, say the population is say 10,000. So this area here you can represent your house also, your neighbor's house, some river, etc. Here you can represent this say 5 cm by 500 meters. See the difference. Therefore this map is called a small scale map and this map is showing large scale. It is a large scale map. That is why it has more information as compared to this map.